At fall right around the corner, and most of us spending more time at home these days. It's time to spruce up your house and make it more livable for the season. Joining us to tell us more is the president of Renovations, Walter Assis. Good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning. You're welcome.
So we know we're all spending a lot of time at home. People are then looking around the four walls thinking, we need to make some changes here. What are you seeing in terms of what people are doing to their homes to spruce it up?
I mean, right now, we don't call it anymore fall rentals. For this particular year, we're calling it COVID rentals or quarantine or lockdown rentals, whatever you call them. But
Yeah.
it's a different year for sure. We are doing more space planning, space additions. I mean, the fact of the matter is we're staying a lot more at home these days. So first thing that you should ask yourself is, what kind of space am I missing? Am I missing an office, a family room, a playroom, a home theater, just to make the home a bit more friendly to the family.
So is that what people are doing? Is that
Yeah.
what you're hearing from people, that you're seeing a lot of people make an office so that they can actually have that space available as opposed to sitting at the kitchen table to do their work all day?
I mean, the fact of the matter is the days where we had the office in our unfinished basement with the clothesline as our backdrop are far gone. With Zoom meetings these days and everything else, there's an expectation that you have a professional-looking office or a half a decent-looking office. So we're seeing a lot of people now do a lot more TLCs at home. They're loving their home more. They're making it more friendly for work,
Yeah.
for their kids when they're staying at home.
How much money are they spending?
I find that really compared to other years, people are spending a lot of money in their home. They've just, as if it was an awakening. The fact of the matter, we always had something old and dingy in the house. This year, we're seeing it double as old and double as dingy because we're staying home more. We're working from home a lot more. We're eating more often at home. So if we had an older kitchen, now we see it a lot more. Before, we'd go on vacation in our free time, we'd eat out, we'd go see our friends and family. So we knew it was there, but we didn't anticipate or we don't see it as often as we see it today. So people now are spending a lot more money on their practical and cosmetic things like kitchens, bathrooms, playrooms. It's one of the first years that we're seeing a lot of homeowners planning two different living room spaces.
Wow.
Maybe one for children and one for themselves.
Hey, as a parent, who can blame them? I mean, everybody needs a little bit of space, right? Nobody wants to be on top of one another. We know that early on in the pandemic, there was a lumber shortage as everybody started getting on board with these projects. Are there any shortages right now in supplies?
Yeah. Yes. There's general shortage in supplies, and we can't keep up with the price changes, to be quite frank with you. I know cement is a big factor for us right now. There's a waiting list to get cement. So yeah, it's not a typical year. The delivery of materials is changed. We can't rely so much on dates that are planned. So it's a different vibe. There's definitely a different vibe. We have to adjust constantly to the new logistics and the new realities.
Yeah. With so much demand out there, was there any price gouging going on for contractors, maybe taking advantage of people wanting to get some work done?
I mean, we're hearing a lot of stories lately, specifically because, especially for the urgent repairs, there's a bigger sense of urgency now from the consumers, in the fall time to prepare their homes. So they had an older roof or they have plumbing issues or foundation cracks. There's a sense of panic now because they're worried if there's a second wave, there's another lockdown. They don't want to be in the winter with a broken furnace or a leaky foundation. So you see it more, we hear it more from our clients. They call us, they say, we'll call this in contractor, they could deposit, charge me that much, and he's not showing up. We're hearing different stories for sure. Yeah.
Certainly is a different time. All right, Walter Assis, president of Renovations, thank you so much for joining us today.
My pleasure. Thank you.